Good afternoon and welcome to the end of week market review for Friday, August 15th, 2014. You are going to see that both our US and Canadian markets are rising, while our Canadian markets are now rising bullish. Taking a look at the market news, you're going to see that we did end up having some pretty good strong gains throughout the week, but we did end up with a slight hiccup on Friday. So all in all, the weeks are up, but the Dow Jones is down 0.30% for the day, while the S&P 500 is down 0.01%. Gold is down 0.78, silver is down 1.81, while oil is having a nice rise, with it currently up 1.74%. Taking a look at the economic reports, you're going to see that they were expecting 305,000 filings, while in reality, we ended up with 311. So we did end up having more than expected, which was one of the few things that did contribute to some negativity throughout the week. Taking a look at the S&P here on the daily chart, you're going to see that we've broken above the EMAs, which means that we are starting to push ourselves back into positive territory. The MACD is rising bearish, and with that black line over top of the blue line. If we have another positive day of trading on Monday, we can expect to see this MACD cross into bullish territory. Taking a look at the S&P 500 on the weekly chart, you're going to see that the pullback that we had did go down to the support levels that we forecasted, which was at the 26 EMA. Again, it is possible to see some further declines, at which point we would see the 40 EMA being tested. But for the longest run now, you're going to see that everything has been at that 26. While looking at the TSX on the daily chart, you're going to see that we've been trading quite flat or quite slowly since breaking through the 22 EMA. The MACD is rising bullish now, and with that black line over top of the blue line. Taking a look at the TSX on the weekly chart, you're going to see that it's had a pretty good week. You are going to see that it's got quite a bit of room to fall before it ends up finding some support. Hopefully, though, we won't see that happen. Our volatility indicator did have a little bit of a volatile day today, but it's still trading down below all of its EMAs, which means that it is currently at 13.33 with lots of overhead resistance. That resistance is going to help keep the volatility down, which in turn means the markets are going to be a much more stable trading place. If you have any questions about anything that we've discussed, you can either send us an email or phone call. All of our contact information is on the screen. So with that said, this has been the end of week market review for Friday, August 15th, 2014. Ciao for now.